Hey friends, today I'm checking out a free sample that was sent to me by Amazon, and this is a Better Life product, Naturally Powerful. So we're going to check that out. So I'm going to leave some instructions also on how to get the free samples. Actually, I'll just tell you right now. You can go to amazon.com and / and the word samples, SAMPLES. Click on that if you're an Amazon member. I don't even know if you have to be an Amazon member. Just because I am, that's what I'm telling you. But it'll bring up a page. It says Amazon product sampling, and then how do I sign up for free samples? It'll be the second one down, and you just click visit our preference page. You click on that, and then it says sampling preferences, and it says, do you want to receive samples from Amazon's product sampling program? And just click yes, and then it says tell us more. What do you want? Food and beverage, women's beauty, men's grooming, all these different categories or whatever. So sign up for that if you want some free samples from Amazon. So let's see what they sent me here. This is by Better Life, and it sent me 3 little bottles of, looks like, cleanser. Now it seems like Better Life seems to be making products without chemicals, so safe for you and safe for the environment. Safer for the mess makers, not the mess, it actually says on there, so that's kind of cool. And this is a glass cleaner, smudge smacking glass cleaner. They have some kind of a cool little phrases on here. Let's see, just the good stuff. Well, Better Life is non-toxic, better as a cleaner than a beverage. Keep out of the reach of children. So I actually used this on some glass that I'd used on a mirror that I'd used Windex on, and it was leaving smears on the Windex side. I cleaned half of it. On the one I used this, it was perfectly clean. So this size might actually be pretty decent. Okay, here's another one. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It says directions: spray and wipe. Watch grease, grime, and gunk. Take a long walk off a short pier. I haven't got a chance to use this one yet on anything. And final one is, it is a kitchen and bath scrubber. So bathtub maybe. It has a picture of a microwave, a stove, things like that. So it'll probably be a little bit tougher. Shake well and apply directly to the surface. Rub with a scrub pad, sponge or cloth. Rinse for a stunning shine. Okay, so spray this on and rinse it off. So this is kind of just a short video showing you guys, or telling you how to sign up for free samples from Amazon, and also showing you my first product I got from Better Life. So pretty cool stuff there. Who doesn't like free stuff, right? So thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day, and I'll see you next time.